Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hi, Christian Onanian here, fragrances lover, health and wellness. I've got a nice fragrance haul for you today. I've got lots of women's and men's, but I'm only going to talk about the men's as fast as I can because there's so many of them. So I'm not going to go through everyone, I'm just going to show a few of them. But I'd like to start off with my favorite, Acqua Di Gio Absolu by Giorgio Armani. Yeah, it smells great. I did a test on this the other day. I got 5 hours. Imagine if you had your radio on a certain volume, 5 hours, no problem. Then it calmed down. It's not too loud. It's fresh. It's so modern, alluring, not intoxicating. It's easy to wear. It's up to date, fellas. Forget about Acqua Di Gio. That's stale. It's a beautiful fragrance. Yeah, you're old school Acqua Di Gio, and I do too, but it's time to get with the program, fellas, and update. I mean, this isn't any Armani exchange. This is Giorgio Armani. Bow down and show him some respect. This is great, great juice here. I highly recommend it. Here's the deal, 95 bucks for this, 2.5 ounce. The bigger bottle, $130, I think, somewhere around that price range. I'd get this one, but if you can't, just grab this one. I feel like spraying it again. It smells so good, light, airy, fruity, fresh. Like Acqua Di Gio, lighter, reformulated, fresh and fruity. Who can wear it? Young guys, older guys, teenagers, high schoolers, college. I'm gonna go out in the streets tomorrow and get you some reactions on this Acqua Di Gio. But for now, we're gonna continue with the fragrance haul. So, here we go. Next up, I got Chanel Allure Homme Eau Extreme. Eau Extreme. Very nice fragrance, just like Chanel Allure Homme Sport. But again, it's Eau Extreme, it's stronger, it's better, it lasts longer. Highly recommend this one. Bleu de Chanel. Eau de Parfum. Not the new Parfum one, it's the Eau de Parfum. I really like this a lot. It works great, smooth, creamy, and fresh blue Chanel. Here's one I've been looking for. It's called Creed Himalaya. It's got some fresh, fruity notes in the opening. And I just think it's magical. I've been having a hard time to find it, but I found it. About 160 bucks for this. I think it's a 4 ounce Creed Himalaya. I love this Creed version. It's not, I don't know, you can just have to be in the mood to wear these Creed products. They're very complex. On any fragrance you might buy, you know, just like that new Acqua Di Gio Absolu. You haven't smelled it before, so it's not familiar to you. You know, like this, I didn't smell it in a really, really long time. It wasn't familiar to me. So when you first smell those fragrances, you're like not comfortable with it, and you might be judgmental, but don't be. They're new, they're modern. This one here has been out a long time, but this is a great one. Oh man, it's locked in this box. Acqua Di Gio Profumo. Hands down, compliment getter, projection master. This is loud, but good loud. If you want to update your Acqua Di Gio, you get this. Remember, this is Giorgio Armani, not Armani Exchange. The Giorgio Armani t-shirts are $400. The Armani Exchange ones are $30. But Acqua Di Gio Profumo, 10 out of 10 on that one. Highly recommended. Then I got Yves Saint Laurent La Nuit de l'Homme Le Parfum. It's 106 bucks for this bottle. Very smooth, creamy, delicious Yves Saint Laurent. Better than the original formula. Not as good as the 2011 one that I have, but damn close. Excuse my French. It's very good. I love this one. Le Parfum. YSL La Nuit de l'Homme. Of course, you guys that love the other eau de toilette, it's still good. I'm not knocking it. They're all good, but there are certain ones that are better, and this is one of them. Next, we have Dior Homme Intense Black Stem Eau de Parfum 2011 release. Iris Musk Lavender. When I first sprayed this on, I was like, whew, it is intense. I wasn't ready for it. And then it dried down, and 35 minutes later I could smell it, and then 1 hour and 30 minutes later it just kept getting better and better and better. Smooth, creamy, elegant, lovely fragrance. Highly recommend Dior Homme Intense Eau de Parfum. And just so I can remind myself real quick, I just can't see the bottle without smelling it. Yeah, at the first blast it's different, but you can smell it down the road when it dries already, but not that fast. But I know what it's going to smell like, so I can taste those notes. Oh, this is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance. Highly recommend this Dior Homme Intense. Penhaligons Endymion, a niche fragrance. Wow. This is what I said when I first smelled this, which I just first smelled it the other day actually. I said, this smells like something I've had, and I couldn't pinpoint it. And what it is, it smells like YSL L'Homme, the regular. That's what it smells like. But it is a wow scent. It's a niche scent. Endymion by Penhaligon Endymion has lavender, sage, and dries down to a coffee scent. A nice light coffee, not your strong coffee. It's hidden well in the background, the coffee scent. Very unique scent. For $60 or $70, I recommend this Penhaligons Endymion. Next one I got is 1 Million Prive collection. Lovely, lovely fragrance. I don't like 1 Million. I like this. It's stronger, but that's just me. It's stronger. It's got a cooler bottle. And we're going to get you some reactions tomorrow or soon from the girls on the street and guys on 1 Million Prive. I love this fragrance. Better than 1 Million. If you know what it smells like, it's a sweet, creamy, gourmand type fragrance. The next one I got is called the Beautiful Mind series. Volume 1, Intelligence and Fantasy. I was never heard of this. I know I blind bought this just because I never heard of it. It's $165. And on the box it says, memory is infinite. Nothing touches it like the sense of smell. And that's the truth. Whenever you smell a fragrance, it takes you right back, like Acqua Di Gio. When you spray that, it takes you back to those days when you were roaming around at bars and Applebee's or nightclubs, and you had great response rate 22 years ago. Anyway, the Beautiful Mind series. Clean and refreshing scent. Like something I've smelled before, but I can't pinpoint it. But I do like it a lot, and I'm going to talk more about it later. I just wanted to show you what we have here is the Beautiful Mind series. They're about $160 on the internet. This Lanvin for Men tester on eBay. Great scent. You can get it for under $20. Nice, clean, fresh, refreshing scent. Smooth, easy to wear, long lasting by Lanvin for Men. It's just called Lanvin Lum. Easy to wear, great deal for the price. There's a lot of talk about Ferrari these days. This one was 4.2 ounce, right around $15. Great value, Ferrari Red. Scuderia Ferrari Black. Another nice deal. You could pick up 4.2 ounces on the internet, about $15. Testers, they look like that. Just wanted to tell you that. I also got Creed Viking. This is about $220 20 bucks, the cheapest I could find it for. It's probably $3.20 at the department stores. It's a very extremely modern scent. You've got peppermint and some light florals in there. I really like this scent. I don't know what type of mood you would be in, because I haven't really reviewed it or tested it that much. I've just smelled it one night real quick when I first got it. So I'll talk more about that later. I just wanted to show you Creed Viking, the newest one from Creed. We got this cool fat little boy called Dolce Gabbana for men, Intenso. Now I didn't even try this yet till right now. Wow, it smells really good, just like Dolce Gabbana Parfum, but intensified with a touch of some sort of darker note. And look at the bottle, Dolce Gabbana Intenso. If you like it strong, you like that old Dolce Gabbana, you will love this, I guarantee you. What I got is called Paris Hilton for men, the blue stripe bottle. I don't know if you remember this or know about it. Some of you sleep on this. This is Paris Hilton watermelon scent for men. Lasts long, gets all compliments from the ladies. You go in the club, do whatever you want with this. It's called Sex Juice. It's a secret hidden gem. Easy to wear, good for summertime. Paris Hilton original for men, the first men's fragrance she put out. All these Armani codes are kind of starting to get on my nerves, but if you're a code lover, I used to be, not anymore. This is good. It smells like Armani Code. I'm not going to say watered down, it's just like a lighter version of it, easier to wear, kind of citrusy. We'll talk about that later. I just wanted to show you Armani Code Colonia, big beautiful lighter blue bottle here. Armani Code Profumo. I love this one actually. I would wear it, but it's kind of strong, and if you I like to spray a lot. If you spray too much, you might offend some people, but it's very good and very long lasting. I think in the right occasion, wearing a suit, nice classy event, this will perform excellent. Church, whatever you do. Armani Code Profumo, highly recommend this. Also picked up a bottle of this Jay-Z Gold. It's a white bottle with a powdery scent. Also I picked up this little bottle of Jimmy Choo Intense. Again, I'm an intense person and I like intense fragrances. You know what I'm talking about? To me, it's better than regular Jimmy Choo because it's intense. It's stronger, louder, better. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you real quick what I got. I'll talk more in detail about many of those fragrances coming soon in the following weeks. I'm going to go out and get you some reactions from the public on many of these fragrances. And ladies, if you're still watching, I'm going to have a lot of stuff for you too. Thank you to all my brand new subscribers. Thank you to everyone out there. I'll be back later. Catch you later. Endymion out.